So hello guys, today is December 23. It's a Friday and we're going to Baguio. It's a family vacation and I'm waiting here. So they are on the way here in Manila. So we're here at our Airbnb. I went to the grocery. I bought some stuff na kailangan for breakfast for tomorrow kasi maaga kaming aalis sa Baguio. Ayan. So, this is the kitchen. I will cook some rice muna. Rice. Then, yun. I got this my attention. Look, oh. There's a lot of spices here. Ang galing. Just one. Oh, look. Ang ganda, diba? Amazing. So guys, I will show you the outside of this terrace. One. You can sit here. Tambay ka lang dyan. With this view. Look. So nice, right? You can see the buildings over there. That's the gate proper. As if naman alam natin yan. So, ayan siya. Makikita mo. So many houses here. Alright.
Dumadaan, so we just have to walk.
So we're going to Baguio and it's about 2:15 a.m. So di nag-vlog kanina. I'm with mother, father, Finn, my two sisters, and Eileen and Eileen. We're here nasa Central ng Baguio and we're going to Cathedral. So guys, first stop, the Cathedral.
Angel.
Guys, of course. Oh my God. Percy na to, kuya.
Ano ba?
Anong pangalan niya?
Mac po.
Ilang taon na siya?
1 pa lang po lang.
1 year old?
A few moments later.
At Rampidjo.
Ini kinuloy ini pakuson.
We have here salad, fried chicken, and pizza. Masarap. Masarap.
A few moments later.
So here is the outside of our Airbnb. So chilling here. So malamig. Busy sa kitchen si Noy. What are you cooking? Iwag ng rice. It's cake.
Dapat
Chocolate. It's a new toy. It's a horsey. He's the cutest. So, Chare. Come here. We're here at 9:30.